All right, we're back at it again with another video here. So today's going to be how to change the oil on my 6.0 Power Stroke. So I'll let you guys see what I'm going to do here. Pop that, and then we'll do that. There. Okay, just hold that like that and do not turn it. Gosh damn it. Pop the oil cap. Pop that oil can. Okay. Now we'll go back up underneath the truck and then we'll drain the oil. And there's 14 quarts of oil that's going to go in here. And I'm going to be adding a 16-ounce bottle of Archoil. And I'll show you guys what that looks like. It's supposed to be really good for these Power Strokes. So just pull it. It's pretty hot because I just got done driving it. Oh shit. Jason, give me a rag. It's a good thing that there's a magnet on the end of it. It didn't fall in. Just let it drain. A lot of oil. Some black gold. So we'll let that finish draining, and we'll go back up on top, and we will pop that other filter that's up on top. Make sure I get all that oil out of there. It's the oil I'm going to be using. And one of these, so we'll use that and that. And I always use Ford Motorcraft. Always for my oil changes, for my fill filters. And this is Jason. This is what I'm telling you guys, is this Archoil.
Back.
So I don't hear nothing out of my motor right now, but I'm going to start using this for every oil change that I do. And you can order this online. And you can see eliminates Ford Power Strokes 6.0 liter and 7.3 liter injector problems. I do not have any injector problems, but I'm going to be using this. So,
Alright, that's almost done draining.
well, I'm going to let it drain all the way. Right here, you can see, right there's where the oil filter goes. So that's where we'll be putting it. You want to go grab that stool? So we got everything all topped back off on the, where we drain the, where we change the thermostat. There's no leaks down there. Looks good. Says the last thing for the maintenance on here is just change oil, and that's fill filters. Drain the water out of the gas, out of the diesel. So I'll show you guys. Okay, Jim, you should be able to see me right there. Like I said, the socket that I'm using is 36 millimeter. And you do not want to over tighten these either, because they will snap. Pop this off. Now, there it goes. All right. So as you can see, there's the oil filter. Just pop it off, just like that. So remember what I said, that they do send you a new O-ring with this. I don't have my pick with me. Well, we'll get it. Just like that. You can pinch it so you can get underneath. And there we go. There's the part number. See right there? There's a new oil filter. Here's your new O-ring. Like that. Pretty simple. Get your oil filter. Pops in with that up there. Boom. And get you a little bit of oil. Put it around the ring. Kind of helps it a little bit. Now we're ready to put it back in. Give a little bit of shining. Okay, so when you go put these oil filters back in, you gotta push down like that. There you go.
Don't over tighten them.
A lot of people just pour their oil. You can put it, if you had that bolt underneath, that's good enough. I would just fill my oil up to there, but we'll just put it in there. So there's 16 ounces of this. I'll figure out how much that is on that. I think that's like a half a quart. I'll put this in with the oil once I tighten this bolt back up. You already know how to put this back on the bolt. There's all that oil on there. Put that on like that. Don't need to over tighten them. That's all you need. Come on. Okay. Just pull out. Okay, pump it out, Jim. What do you do with your oil? Huh? You pour it right back into these buckets right here. And you can take it to any oil changing place and they'll dispose of it. So the first thing we're going to do, okay, I'm all done now. brand new funnel, which is good. I need to dump. There's 3.5 in here, so that's all I need. So I'm gonna dump this, and then hopefully that right there, it'll make the 14 quarts that I should need. So you can look up here. Put your dipstick in the hole. I mean your funnel. And then start dumping her in. Look at that nice clean oil. Take your time because there's no rush. I boil all over the place. Go get me that other jug, Jason.
This one?
Yeah. Okay, there's one. I mean 3.5. That one's a little harder. Let me turn this bench around. It's hard on the back. Calm down, calm down. Ooh. So there's 10 quarts in this one. Looks like quick fill. This says quick fill on this funnel. Gosh dang, man.
Quick fill.
See it? If it was quick, this whole damn jug would have already been in there. Oh, there it is. She was thirsty. All right, that's that one. So now what I wanted to see, this little plug, if that equals a half a quart, I'm gonna pour it in here. Oh man.
It's like caramel.
Like chocolate milk. Yeah, half a quart. See right there on the bottom? So there's our, so that right there makes our 14 quarts. Which is good. This green. It costs like $50 just for this. Just for this. Might as well get every drip out of there. But we've seen a lot of people using this stuff on YouTube, and I thought maybe I should start using it myself. What'd you do? Oh, so you can see what this says. Archoil ar9100. And they say you're supposed to notice the difference of this within at least 60 miles. But like I said, I don't have nothing wrong with my truck. Never ever even
with cold starts.
seen anything. So, I mean, it protects engine during cold starts. So, I mean, everybody's saying it's pretty good. So, let's give it a try. So, be sure to... wipe that out. Be sure to stick your oil cap back on.
Stick that back on.
Put your dick stick back in. I mean your dip stick.
Make sure to put that back up. Where do you want me to go at? Back of the exhaust?
You got it. It's everything. Once you do that, let your oil pressure build, and then check your oil, make sure you're full. see. Right there. Nothing on that right there, it reads. So I might add just a little bit more, just to be safe. And that's it. That's all you need right there. Give a big shout out to Infamous 6.0. A shout out to that Power Stroke bloke. A shout out to Tyler 60. And a shout out to Ford Diesel. And I think another shout out to Always Up Too Late. Thank you guys for watching.